Hello everyone, I am happy to see you on my channel. This video starts in the morning. It is a summer holiday from school. My son decided to make breakfast. He loves cooking, especially baking, and today he is making pancakes. He mixes all the ingredients in the blender because pancakes are one of his favorite foods. We often cook together. It is a funny way to spend time with him. Even when I don't feel like cooking, he says, I will do it myself, and starts taking things from the fridge. Then I have to join him to help. After that, we fry the pancakes on the stove, and the kitchen smells amazing. My son starts eating pancakes right by the stove. I put some pancakes on a plate, add strawberries, and pour honey on them. The kids sit down to have breakfast. While they eat, I keep frying more pancakes. After breakfast, my son goes to nursery, and my daughter stays home. She loves drawing and spends time with her art. Meanwhile, I go to the balcony to have my breakfast alone. This is my favorite time of the day because I can enjoy a few quiet minutes. The view from the balcony is great. After breakfast, I begin working on my projects. This is the time when I focus on my task. I have only a few hours that I can work. Then I need to cook lunch, pick up my sons at nursery, and cook dinner. I usually cook something simple that doesn't take much time. In the evening, we go to the park. A new playground has been opened there. My kids run and play, trying all the new swings and slides. They like this place. After they finish playing, we go to the rose garden. This is a beautiful place in the park, especially now when the roses are blooming. The flowers are all different colors: red, pink, white, and each one has a unique smell. There are a lot of them. They are different types and all very beautiful. I love flowers, so I walk around looking at each one. On the weekends, when the weather is nice, we like to go to nature. One time we visited an old castle. Now it is only ruins, but the place is magic. The castle stands on the tall cliff, and from the top we can see the sea. If you drive a little further from the castle is located, we reach another very beautiful place with stunning views. There are houses where people live and every day they enjoy these views. We decide to spend the day here, enjoy the peace and beauty of nature. We had a picnic on the grass, watched the birds and rested, listened to sound of the waves. It was the perfect way to spend the weekend, surrounded by nature and calm. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video. Bye.